Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility and powering the keyboard. This saves time and avoids surprises. Once Bluetooth or USB OTG is confirmed, put the keyboard in pairing mode or connect the OTG cable. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and visible. You can toggle airplane mode briefly to reset radios if needed. If the keyboard has a companion app, install it now to access firmware updates and layout options. This first step gets a stable link and ensures keys map correctly for the phone. Once paired, you'll configure the layout and shortcuts so typing feels natural. Open keyboard settings or the companion app, then choose language and layout to match your typing habit. This prevents odd characters. Next, remap modifier keys like Alt and CMD and assign the function row for brightness or media controls. Make sure to set shortcuts for copy, paste, and app switching to speed workflow. If you use multiple apps, create app-specific profiles so the keyboard adapts automatically as you switch contexts. Finish by testing typing speed, special keys, and key repeat delay to match your rhythm. You should also tweak phone power settings to prevent Bluetooth from sleeping and prioritize the keyboard and Bluetooth pairings to avoid disconnections. If something fails, repair the device, check for firmware updates, and reboot your phone. Often a simple restart resolves drivers or cache issues. As a last resort, try a different app or cable to isolate hardware from software. This wraps up the setup and keeps you typing reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.